Okay, so this call came in at about 8 o'clock this morning, and it's a garage. So from what I've been told, it's got a twist handle, what we call a T-handle on it, and when you rotate the twist handle, there's a cable on the back of the garage which releases a couple of locking latches, spring-loaded locking latches on either side. That's one configuration of it, and apparently the customer heard it, snap or go twig, and then the handle went limp. So it's clear that something's disconnected or broken on the inside. So this is one of those fishing jobs that I'm going to be doing. I've probably done oh no, I don't think I've done a video on that. Somebody did ask about it actually. What do you do if the cable snaps? So it'll be an interesting video anyway to see how we get this one open. Alright, so garage with a snap cable. Let's go, let's have a look. Okay, so here we are, tilt-a-door, T-handle. Here's our cable. That's what we'll be replacing it with. It's only single. Here's a couple of car tools, car antennas that I've made up. They should be just fine. Got my air wedge, got my kneeling pad. Let's go fishing. Doesn't really do much. See if we get lucky. Oh, how good's that? Okay, so cable's broken here. Normally the cable gets connected here, and when you twist the handle it pulls this one and this one at the same time, but we've only got one at the moment, but we can just about get it open with one. So just pull that like that. That's one side good. That off. Now I can just shimmy the whole door across. Boom. Okay, there's our problem. So the cable, this is just cable, it's held on here. When it's pulled, it does this, comes through here, out this hole, comes across here, and connects there. So that's a problem, that's why it snapped, so all we've got to do now is just replace it. Not very good. Okay, so that job wasn't too bad. That was just a simple, what we call a panel lift door, garage door with a T-handle or twist lock. And as you see, fishing the cable out is probably the hardest bit. And also you've got to make sure you get those clips really tight on either side, I like to use pliers because you have a tendency you can stab yourself with a screwdriver trying to get things that tight. So anyway, that's repairing a garage door cable, and yeah, there's not too much. Well, I put a little bit of spray on it as well, just that way it might last a little bit longer than fraying. If you have any comments, leave them down below, and thanks for watching.